think that we actually almost came up with a different title for this category. I think it was the Best UX Warrior Award. And she was an entry dear to my own heart because I always favor people who are roughing it alone. It feels like you're a bit of a woolly mammoth hunter when you go in and you, like, a company may not be willing or able to take a chance on hiring an agency for a user experience project, but they might hire a consultant. And as that consultant, there's a lot of pressure for you to. They may hire you, they may not follow what you say. So there's a lot of pressure on an individual person to sell the process for starters and get the executive championship that you need. And then, if the project fails, they can blame you. And if it does well, chances are you're not even around to see it because you've had to move on to the next project, because if you stick around, they might make you manage the thing you just built. So it's true. So that's why I really have a lot of respect myself for what Whitney pulled off as an individual, and hopefully if that whole teach a man to fish philosophy, if they're keeping even 50, 60, 70% of the things that she taught them to do, then that's impressive. You get an incredible ROI just for taking a chance on one person if that person is really dedicated and passionate enough and has this, the skill set to pull this off. So that was my vote.
And by coincidence, even before this was submitted, I saw a presentation by Boxee on this new site that they were implementing. And just to sort of emphasize sort of demonstrate what an effect Whitney had on the process. For the first time in my life, I saw a software guy during a product demo, bring up the user experience person and show her off to the crowd and say what a wonderful job she did to help make the whole site application, all come together. I'm like, okay, that's saying something. So she definitely got my vote.
I think it was key also, at every step in the process she included users. It might not have been a huge amount of them, but she did a lot of upfront research and she did it again and again, and that's, just shows in the work.